Hello YouTube, hello MGTOW, hello Red Pill, this is Red Pill in the Wind. Today we're going to compare my new truck to the old truck. As we see, lower miles, a lot lower miles, and as we scroll through and pan down, everything else is the same until we get to here. This used to be the 110 volt adapter, is now the adapter for a phone charger. Everything else remains the same, from the sleeper berth, the lights, the system. Now, everything else still remains the same. We've got the whole Balkita setup, the 110 duct, the fridge unit, and the things, any air vent controls, hot, cold, whatever, yada yada yada. Everything's the same. We have storage and everything else. Nothing's changed. Here at the old truck, we have a lot more mileage. Radio's the same except for this 110 volt setup. Now, I'm not bringing the dog in here into the truck yet because he still needs a brush down. And plus I need to clean this truck out of the remaining dog hair. This is Red Pill in the Wind, signing off.